In this tutorial, we're going to talk about the welcome message. Now, the welcome message is something that a user will see the very first time that they visit your fan page and interact with you in Messenger. Okay, so they're going to see a couple of things, and we're going to walk through those things. The first thing they're going to see is a greeting message. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have one written out here. Is I'm just going to say, "Welcome to Drone Buys. Please click the Get Started button below to contact us." Now, as I'm going to show you here in a second, when the user visits your page and sends you a message for the very first time, and only the first time, they will see this message as well as a little Get Started button at the bottom, and I'll show you that here in a second, okay? Now, what we want to do is we want to actually select a bot that we can send to them once they've clicked that Get Started message, okay? And mine is called Welcome Message, so I'm going to select that. And I'm going to go ahead and enable that message. Okay, we need to make sure that you toggle this on in order for it to start to show up, and then we click Save. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at that on the actual page here. Now, here's a little trick for you too, is if because the message only shows up the very first time, if you have messages already in this thread, you can simply go here and click Delete Conversation, and then it will pretty much emulate exactly the same thing that a brand new user is going to see when they come to your page. Okay, so just a way for you to test that bot. Now, I've already done that, so as you're going to see, we have the Welcome to Drone Buys. Please click the Get Started button below to contact us, and there it is. Okay, so when I click that button, what's going to happen is there it is. Welcome. How can we help you? That happens to be what my message was in the bot that I attached. It was just a nice little test. Okay, so right at that point when that happens and somebody clicks that Get Started button, they are now going to become one of your subscribers. Okay, so you can automatically greet them. You can then get them as a subscriber when they click the Get Started button. And you can also go ahead and start to engage with them with one of your bots, okay? So if you simply don't want the greeting message to display or any of this functionality to work, you can simply just toggle this off like so, hit save, and it will no longer show up. It'll just show the default, whatever Facebook puts on there for you to see, okay? So very, very simple to use, but can be a powerful way to kind of get that conversation started and that engagement started with a brand new visitor to your fan page. And again, if you have any questions about this, you can always contact us at support@segmateapp.com.